Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to create a Trello template. So first, just simply go to your Trello, and now from here guys, you should be able to see here templates on the top. Just simply select this one and a drop down window will show up. Just simply select export templates over here, and it will redirect you to the template tab. And from here, just simply select a template that you prefer over here to create a Trello template. And now you could add or filter out some searches, so you could categorize it by business, design, education, engineering, and the others. So pretty much this will be depending on you. Let's say I'm gonna go for the productivity, and you will have multiple options over here, and you should be able to see here the people who used the template and the people who viewed the template, as you can see. And from here you should be able to have a preview of it. And now let's say I'm going to use this one and click on use template, and you could change the title over here. I'm going to go for helpful, and from here just simply go ahead and have an and from here you will have an option to keep the cards and keep the template cards. So I'm gonna make sure to check it and click on create. And after that, you should be able to create a Trello template based on your preference. And there you go. See ya.